Wow. Alright, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whatever you do. Welcome to No Budget Show. My face is blurry. Alright, anyways, so today we will gonna have a mukbang. No, I'm just kidding. We will gonna make 3 dishes out from this one can of sardines. Because I love it when you call me señorita. Okay, that's not funny. Ingredients: sardines, so we fried it already. Then onion, spring onion, carrots, and rice. Leftover rice. Bahaw. Procedures: so saute everything in the pan there, and you see it's greasy because this is the same pan where I used to fry the sardines. So it's not healthy, but it's economical, right?
Ginagawa mo.
Recipe number 2, sardines with satanghon. So obviously we have our sardines, our satanghon, our onion again, spring onion, cabbage, 3 cups of water, and then our Filipino soy sauce. Procedure: in this casserole we put our water, and then we will wait until it will boil or simmer. Then we add the ingredients, starting from satanghon, and then our onion, spring onion, cabbage, then finally our sardines, because it will just add flavor. And then we will add our soy sauce afterwards for the taste. recipe number 3. Alright, for our third recipe, it's our sardines omelet. Ingredients are, we have our shredded sardines there. It was fried, and then finely chopped carrots, white onion, salt, pepper, 1 medium egg, 1 cup of water, and later we have 5 to 6 spoons of flour and 1 teaspoon of, this is violet starch, so I will assume it's the same as cornstarch, but it's still a starch. Anyways, yes, that's our ingredients. Procedure, so if you see, I'm using this measuring cup because you don't want to have many dishes to wash, so let's just use whatever in here. And it's no budget show, let's do it my way. Alright, so we have here 1, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons, and then we mix. Interesting, we like having science experiment. And then teaspoon of the starch. Interesting. To be honest, it's my first to do this. And then mix it up. Ooh, like blender. Then let's add the ingredients, other ingredients, white onion, carrots, sardines. We'll make that omelet or patty, I don't know. Yes, mix it up. Interesting. Sorry for the mess. Then we add our egg. Crack it up. Move backward, please, camera. Sorry for the mess. Crack the egg. Boom. There you go. Mixed it well. It's interesting. Okay. And then we add 1 more spoonful of flour. Mix it. Watery, actually, because we use 1 cup of water. Again, I'm not a professional chef, so these are just science experiment in the kitchen. Then salt and pepper.